Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss how to connect two switches in series and control a motor or fan also, right? For that we need some essential things like a battery of 9 volt. You see, this is a cell of 9 volt. You see, this is a cell of 9 volt, right? And we have some connecting wires also, red and black. You see, these are some connecting wires. Besides that, we have a switch. You see here, this is a switch. You can see it that this is a switch, and we'll connect this switch in series connection, right? This is a switch. There is another switch you can see also, that is this type of switch you can see here, and the switch. I'll connect this switch with that switch in series connection, right? Besides that, we have a variable resistance. You see here, this is a variable resistance, means we can change the resistance, right? And it can be shown that it is up to 47k, right? This is up to k means 1000, 47k. It can control up to 47k or 4700 ohm resistance, right? From 1k to 47k. This is a variable resistance. Now I will show you how to connect in this project two switches in series connection. How to connect? You see here, we have the batteries. We have the battery here, right? For the red, you see, this is the positive point and this is the negative terminal. This is the positive terminal and this is black is the negative terminal, right? We have joined this positive terminal with red wire. You see this one, this is red, and the negative terminal with black, right? Let us see. You see, we have joined this red wire with positive terminal with red wire and negative terminal with black wire, right? Now you see, in this what happens, we have to connect these switches in the red wire. You see here, let us take this one. See, we have this battery, we have this black one is the negative terminal and the red one is the positive terminal. We'll connect this switch with the red jaw, right? We're connecting this switch with the red jaw, right? And we'll connect another switch with a red. You see one, this is connected with another switch, that is this one, and connect this with another switch, that is we have connected this in series, right? You can see here, there are three terminals. This is the common, right? We are taking this on this terminal, that is on the side. Here you see, we joined it in the side of the terminal. There are three terminals, you can see. Right, now we have connected these switches in series, and let's see what is the function, right? And we will take another black, this one, with, and connect this with the common. This is the common, the middle one is the common, this is the common, right? After that, we'll take this to the fan, or we can take this with this variable resistance. See, this is the variable resistance, and in this way we can connect this one with the common, right, the variable resistance, and we'll connect this with a different we'll connect this fan in this way, and we will fix this fan in this box. See here, we are fixing this fan in this box, right? Right, and we take another wire to connect this with this one. And let's see what happens. Right, now we have two switches here, one is this one, another one is this one. Now the fan is not working. Let us switch on. You see, the fan is working. That means when we switch on both the switch, only then it is working, otherwise it is not working. That means it is in series connection, right? Here you see, if we switch any of the switch and it will stop, you see, right? And if we switch on this switch, again it will work, right? That means this is in series connection, right? Now there are two switches here. If we use any of the switch, we can either switch off or switch on the fan, right? Here you see, if we use this switch one, this switch, let's see, you see, it is in off position, right? That means if we put two switches in series connection, both the switch should be on to make this fan work in working condition, right? Again, let's see, you see, whenever both the switches are on position, only then the fan is working or the fan is rotating, otherwise it will not rotate, right? Let's see once again. That means they are in series connection. That means when the switches are in series connection, both the switches should be in on position to rotate the fan, or both the switches should be in, or any of the switches in off position, then this fan will not rotate. That is the condition of two switches in series connection. Let us do it once again. Right, now if we switch on both the switch, the fan will start working, right, or it is rotating. Let's see. Yes, the fan is working, right? How we have connected the fan, you just see here once again. How we have connected, this is our battery, this is the positive terminal, this is red one, and we have connected this switch with this positive, right? And other switch is connected with another wire, and it is connected with another switch, right? Then that with another switch, this one, right? and this is connected with the negative this is connected with the fan, and this negative terminal is connected directly to the fan. And if we switch on both the switch, only then it will work. You see here, it is working. That means they are in series connection, right? If we switch off any of the switch, it will stop working, right? Let's see. Here you see, we are switching off this one, it is working. Switch off position, it is in on position. You see here, if you switch off this one also, it will stop working, right? That because both the switches are in series connection, right? Here you see, once again we are trying. Yes, it is working because both the switch are in on position in series connection, only then this fan is working, right? Now let us see if we take a LED whether it is working or not, right? Here we are taking one LED and let us check whether it is working or not. Here you see, here we have taken an LED, this one, right? And you know that this is the longer terminal, that means positive, and this is the shorter terminal, means negative. Let us check whether it is working with the both switches in series connection or not, right? Let's see. Here you see, we have taken out this one, hello friends, we have changed this motor with the fan, and let us now check whether it is working in series connection or not. What we have done, you see here once again, this is our 9-volt battery. This is the positive terminal of the battery is connected to the red wire, and this is a switch, right? A switch is connected with the wire with another switch, this one, right? And this switch is connected to the fan. That means we can see very clearly that these both the switches are connected in series. That means this switch is only work when both the switch is in on position. If any of the switch is in off position, then the fan will not work or not rotate. Let us see. That means this is in off position. Let us check. Yes, it is working. You see, the fan is rotating. That means the fan is working. That means both the switch is in on position, right? Let us check. If we switch on this one, let us see what happens. Not working because we have to switch on both the fan, other one only then it will work. You see here, you see, when we have to switch on both the fan, only then it will work. But you can switch off with any of the switch. You see here, we can switch off this one with any of the switch, but when both the switches are on position, only then it will work, otherwise it will not work, right? Because the switches are connected in series. Let's see. Here you see, there is a loose connection here. You can see that when both the switch are in on position, only then the fan is working. You see here, right? That means they are in series connection and both the switches are series connection. That's why when both the switch are in on position, only the fan is rotating. If any of the switch is in off position, the fan will not rotate. That is our work of switches in series connection. How we have connected it here once again. This is positive terminal of the battery is connected with the switch, and this wire is connected with another switch that is in series connection, right? and then it is connected to the fan, and let's see whether it is working or not. It will work only when both the switch is in on position. Let's see. Yes, it is working because both the switches are in on position at this moment. You see, and if you switch off any of these switches, then it will not work. You see, this is in off position because we have connected these both the switches in series connection. If you switch on again, it will work. You see here, because both the switches are on position. If you switch any of the switch as off position, then the fan will not work. You see, right? Then this fan is not working in this condition. Again, if we switch on, let's see that the fan is working in working condition. That is the function of switches in series connection, right? You see, in this way the switches in series connection is working. When both the switches are in on position, only then the fan will rotate. If any of the switch is in off position, then the fan will not rotate. Here you see, this is in on position. Let us see, if we switch on this fan, it is working because both the switches are in on position, only then it is working. If any of the switch is in off position, then the fan will not work. You see, you switch off, yes, it is not rotating, right? You switch on the fan, both the switch are in on position. If I switch off this position, then the fan will not work. You see, it is not working, right? That is the function of two switches in series connection. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share this video, right? And please put the notification bell on position such that you can get all the uploaded videos immediately after we upload these videos. Dear friends, again thank you for watching this video.